Welcome to Pratumnak, Jomtien, Thailand. Hello, Marcus.
Hello, nice to see you again.
Let's take a stroll here on this beautiful beach part. It is very zen and also is home of my favorite sauna here. It's my favorite sauna ever because you can sit in the sauna and you can see the sunset and the beach right over there. Very nice. And there's a sauna, there's a window in the sauna where you can just see the ocean and the sunset then. Now this part is a little bit bad because you have to walk on the street. You could also walk on this pavement. Let's walk to the pavement.
And the German word for today is Abkürzung.
Abkürzung. Oh, what is the English word?
Shortcut.
Shortcut, okay. Smart man. Marcus is a really good English speaking German here, huh?
Fake news.
Yeah. So this is the area here between Pratumnak and Jomtien, I would say. This is where we're gonna walk now. Nice little walk all the way to the main Jomtien area over there. This is very good to walk. Now with this pavement, it's okay-ish. It's a little bit wavy, but then it's getting better over there. And there's also lots of nice areas with volleyball and cafes a little bit further over. And interesting condo buildings right on the beach here too. Lots of beach beds. And a Norwegian flag over there. Interesting. It's very empty here. The whole neighborhood of Pratumnak Jomtien is very empty at the moment. It's also low season, but yeah.
Oh, watch out. That looks dangerous.
Yep. I'm wondering how that happened. Maybe it was water. Huh.
They washed out the sand. You see?
So it is
Some preparation.
definitely not a 10 out of 10. But it's a good pavement to walk. Ah, look at this. Maybe they're protecting it here.
They had some issues with the water.
Oh, yeah.
And then here too.
So here the motorbikes here are way bigger than in Vietnam. They usually have those big bikes, lots of X-Maxes. PCX is pretty much the standard, the normal. I really like those big bikes. I think it's also way safer to drive if you have a bad ground. But they are all very loud here in Thailand. And lots of them are tuned. Not sure what this is. I think this belongs to this condo building. There might be View Talai as well. Because it looks like it, the building and the style. The beach part, sadly, is not that nice. The sand is rough, I think. It's definitely not comparable with Da Nang. And so many loud engines here. But you see here more sandbags. I'm wondering which direction it comes. Like, is this flooding here? And then, I don't know.
Look at this nice. What is
It's
that?
a resort.
Yeah. Oh.
It's like an old school resort here. Huge balconies. All those old buildings are very nice and big. And as you can see here in Thailand, not many people wearing helmets, but it's getting more and more. Especially people driving for Grab or something, they usually wear helmets now. Now over there, it's starting with the volleyball nets. I'm not sure what this building is. Maybe it's a...
It's severe damage on the roof.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at this marine rescue. Maybe it's an official place. Oh, I think it's for diving also. Oh.
Ah, the big machines on the right.
Yeah.
Rescue boats.
Rescue boats. Oh.
So maybe this is official.
Yeah, yeah. And this is like a little water park. Oh, look at this. I know it's a cable car. It's a proper cable car now.
Oh, so you see, that goes up to the tower.
Dude, that looks a little bit rusty, man. And look at this. Muscle Beach, man. You can work out here for free. Marcus, we don't need a gym. We can go here.
No, but there's a tip box.
Oh, not for free.
Oh, okay. For free.
And this looks like a abundant water park, but it is working. It's actually open, I think, because else they would not have the
Nobody's
fountains in.
mistaken. There's someone.
Huh. Maybe it's interesting to have some nice round laps there, swimming. And look at this. This is the beach volleyball place here. You can also rent out jet skis here. And this coastline is so long as well. You can walk here for hours. Especially if you want to get your steps in, just like I do at the moment. And look at this. Ah.
Squirrel.
Yeah. Not many people here. But in the evening, lots of people playing volleyball here. But I can see people inside the water over there. So people are bathing there. So I think the water quality is better here, definitely than Pattaya, right? So we are located right now, if you look at the Pattaya on Google, we are in the south part, very south. It's a completely different beach and it's way cleaner than the Pattaya beach. But the sand sadly is not that fine and nice. And it's a little bit narrow. So, is this a retirement paradise, right, Marcus?
Ooh, it's a singing bird.
Over there. Marcus is soon over 50, then he can become a...
Soon! Sorry, I'm 46 now.
46, okay.
Soon.
In 4 years.
Yeah, but you can say soon when I'm 49.
Yeah, okay, okay. So you cannot get a retired visa yet.
What is that? Half century.
Oh.
I'm approaching.
Look at this, it broke. Must be a strong.
The squirrel. He's feeding the squirrel.
I think they're building a lot of new places over here as well.
Someone is taking
Oh,
it.
yes. The cable car up.
Yeah, I'm scared. I would not use it.
Oh, Marcus. A lady in a Mercedes.
Ah, okay, that's. I thought you would say, hey, that's a nice car.
Yeah. There's so many squirrels. Look at this. It's like a squirrel paradise. Sometimes there are also some cute dogs over here hanging out. I think a lot of retired dogs are here as well on the beach.
Of course. Living in the backyard.
They had wild soy dog nights, and now they retired and come to Jomtien. The toilets are 5 baht. So the toilets in Da Nang are free, right?
Yeah, but I presume here's someone who's cleaning it out.
Yeah, look at this dog.
Oh yeah, he or she.
Maybe we can interview him. He's a retired dog, hanging out in Jomtien. Good day, mate. All right. I think you can do stand-up paddleboarding here.
The only thing is missing is
Yeah. I think they are somewhere else. We're currently in the low season, the crazy rain season, but it is pretty good. It rained last night. There are some clouds hovering around, which is actually nice because now it's not that hot anymore. It was way hotter in the morning when it was blue sky, and now it's good. But look at this.
sales office.
Yes, this is a sale office what they will build here. So they built this whole building just to sell the things, whatever they're gonna do here.
Panora Studio.
Panora Asturia. You can buy some corn here. Lots of street pigeons here as well. But I don't see any seagulls here anyway. Also. Good day, mate.
This is true. There's no seagulls.
Yeah. Also, I've never seen seagulls in Da Nang as well. So here slowly it's starting with the beach bars. Or what is that? I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's a coffee shop and a bar. You can have some cheap beer here and have a sunset. And then I've been to this one cafe once and had a chocolate cake or something. I did a video there. It's a BYD. It looks very much like a Tesla. Yeah, here is also very pretty coffee shop. Oh. Yeah, it's a nice coffee shop, and they have a huge pastries in there. Rabbit Resort. Yeah, we better don't go in there. Come.
Okay.
That's not for us. We're fitness athletes now. And it's only us because I am. So when I'm a fitness athlete, you have to be one too.
Yeah, I'm supporting your decisions. So.
I think there was also some bungalows here to rent, or maybe it's also a resort. The only issue, you cannot go through to the second road. So you always have to go all the way. Unless you're living in the 5D or like the View Life 5 building, there you can also go through all the way to the second road. You have massage places over there, some hookah shoes. Hello!
Oh, thank you very much. But they promoting free Wi-Fi at the beach.
Oh yes. You can have there's a restaurant over there. Not much going on here. Very calm neighborhood. But you know what, Marcus? There's a huge new villa built. I think for everyone who has a lot of money, look at this huge villa. It's crazy. Or this villa, what is getting prepared.
It looks like this. I know.
It starts at 385 million baht. Fully fitted. Available now. Oh, it's now available. That means $1 million euro, maybe $1.2 million or something.
Oh, this is also for sale.
Oh wow! This is a huge property. But look at this crazy villa over there.
I think this is more for me. It looks more modern,
Oh.
and it has these windows, so that means a lot of light.
I'm wondering what this thing is. You can walk through that to the condos? So this is the villa. Look at this villa. Estier.
Imagine it's just for one family.
I'm not sure what it is, but what is the name meaning? Maybe it's a foreigner with a Thai company, and they just call it Estier, but they're living in there. Not sure. Comment below if you know. Also, then there you have some townhouse style.
Massage. But this is the name. What is this? Used place. Bar and restaurant.
Private property for grand condotel residents only. So if you are living in this condotel, in this condos places, you can walk straight to your place. Same goes with the Pattaya 7 where we're staying right now. Then we have the Avalon Beach Resort over there. Massage place. 250 baht. Very good massage prices for beach property.
In Pattaya City, it's 200 for foot massage. Right?
Yes, yes. But here it's right on the beach, so maybe that's why. So this is a resort here in Jomtien, right between Jomtien and Pratumnak. But here, Pattaya 7, one of my favorite buildings. It's so nice. I stayed there one time in the 27th floor. It's so nice. We're staying in the 5th floor today.
I have a pretty good view. It's just at the 5th floor. Nice.
But this is a good walk. I really like this walk. It's like a long walk. It's maybe 4,000 or 5,000 steps right in.
It's a water park.
Oh yeah. In the pool.
Yeah.
Probably for children. So this is Welcome World Beachfront Resort here. Huh. Wondering what the prices are here. Huh. You have beachfront, but it's not a private beach or something. But yeah, also here you have a beautiful 7-Eleven, beachfront 7-Eleven, with 2 stories where you can actually sit and enjoy your 7-Eleven toasties.
With the beach view.
Yeah. Oh, this is a good walk.
Is this a barbecue house?
No. I think this is a bed and breakfast. No, best bed house. Look at this lazy, cute dog. They're so chill. And this is also a nice little coffee shop, sandbar. This is Jomtien Beach. Lots of sports activities going on over there, especially in the morning and in the evening. You can sit here in the shade of the palm trees. Beautiful. For people like us who are not really going into the water anyways, it's also good. Walking at the beach, smelling the ocean. Lots of people here enjoying their time. This is the pool of the Pattaya 7. That's where we're gonna go. Yeah. The police station is over there. There's also a little bit of an outdoor gym. And then I would say Jomtien starts, the Jomtien Beach Road. Right from there. 7-Eleven over there. And this is also a beautiful coffee shop. Casa Mika. Nice. Alright guys, this is Jomtien Pattaya Beach Walk. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna go to Bangkok next, and then we're gonna go to Ho Chi Minh City. We're gonna do lots of Ho Chi Minh City videos. And then back to Da Nang. See you in the next walk.